What is up, my besties? Butter is here. What is up, guys? I am here. I am back in the building. I took a long needed break. I wasn't going to come back to YouTube. I felt like I'm getting too old for YouTube. So I had a talk with my cousin. She was like, if you enjoy doing it, who cares how old you are? Speaking of that, I just had a birthday. I will pop that in right here and let you know some of the things that I did for my birthday, my wife and I.
When the black people get together and change the birthday song, I missed the meeting.
I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Yeah. I wanna say happy birthday to you.
So today I am out here by the pool. I am grilling. I'm making some chicken wings. I'm gonna do some with some barbecue sauce and then some just plain. If you never used the barbecue, honey barbecue from Buffalo Wild Wings, even if you bake them in the oven, you don't know what you're missing. Get on it, okay? Get on it. So while I'm here barbecuing and everything, I'll tell you guys what's been going on with me. Hopefully you want to know. So they're clean, they're seasoned, everything. They are on the grill. What I have learned since last year, that we have bought a grill last year. So this side is the propane side and this side is the charcoal side. So last year I realized when I was out of work, I had a hurt shoulder. I think you guys remember when I had the rotator cuff surgery. I started grilling a little bit as best I could, and I really realized that I really love to grill. The craziest thing is I really don't like to eat grilled food that much. That's just the cover for the grill. So yeah, I really love to grill. So I can sit out here all by myself. Sometimes I listen to a book. I'm on TikTok or whatever while I'm out here grilling, or just sitting thinking and looking at this beautiful water. We just opened up the pool a couple of days ago, like last week, and nobody's been in it yet, but it's clean, it's ready to go. Today's a cloudy day. It's supposed to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain until after my food gets done, okay? And yeah, so I that's something that I learned. So anywho, that's what I'm doing right now. But stay tuned. I'll let you know all the wonderful things I've been doing and not doing. So guys, the chicken is basically done. I just wanted to show you on the grill before I take it off. These I'm doing just plain with no sauce or anything on it. Like I said before, I just checked the temperature on it. I have my thermometer here. So it should be at least over 165, preferably like 170 in my opinion. So I'm just gonna let it go for a few more minutes. I just flipped them back over. I'm gonna show you what they look like. They look nice, right? Yep. So I have another batch that I'm gonna be putting on shortly, but it looks really nice. So let me shut this down. Where have I been? Nowhere. Just not vlogging. I don't know, somebody's calling me. It don't seem of any importance. But yeah, so I've been going to the gym, working out for my birthday. You know, we had a great time for my birthday. I have been doing loan signings. I think the last time I was telling you about it, I had a new business that I kind of put to the side, but I'm going to pick it back up. Right now I'm on a mini vacation here at home. I don't even think I showed you the pool, but I'll show you that right after this. So on a mini vacation, and my new business I've been getting into is truck and freight dispatching So I had, you know, one thing about dispatching is a little bit hard because you have to find truckers to want to work with you. I did find one. He didn't stay with me no longer than 3 days. I couldn't find him a load, but then again, he was a new driver, so you have to be with a you have to have your MC and DOT number for registration, I guess you want to call it, for at least 6 months before people really want to hire you to push their freight. And it was hard for me, and I really didn't know the ins and outs of getting him, you know, freight to push. So I kind of just put it aside, and I felt a little bit defeated. Then I also felt like I didn't have enough information for everything that I needed to be a good dispatcher. But I haven't given up. I walked away for a while, but now my mind is clear, and I feel like I'm ready to go ahead and do that because I was feeling overwhelmed. So yeah, so and then I did a couple of vending events. Well, I did one. I did it by myself, and my wife couldn't go that day. So I did it by myself. The first time I ever did an event by myself, because she's usually with me, and I did really good. I'm going to install some pictures right here.
Is that straight on there? Good.
Here, Bob.
That's the one that's going. The cover, I mean the head. Kind of leaning.
Any next? Morning.
Going. Cool. Okay, what else do we have? A little necklaces out.
So yeah, I've been, you know, doing things like that. So, and my wife is doing much better. I'll definitely tell you about that now that she's healed. And then ironically at work last week sometime, I was moving a resident and hurt my shoulder. So now today I got an x-ray, and I have to go to orthopedic doctor to see what he thinks. Even holding his phone in this arm is bothering me. So anyway, I have to do that. And what else is going on? Oh, and you guys wanted to know about Wegovy. I am on Wegovy still. I did lose some weight. I'll insert some pictures right here. So I am definitely coming down some, not all the way down. Excuse the pictures, or not my best pictures. I don't know what I was doing in those pictures, just looking crazy. But right now I'm down, let me see, about I think 12 or 13 pounds I'm down. Yeah. And then also with my breast reduction, I still have that. I did go visit that third doctor, which was a male doctor that was in my insurance. But I really didn't care for him so much, so I'm gonna go look for one more. So now I have to figure out what's going on with my shoulder, and then back to the breast situation. Okay, I think I told you guys about just about everything that's going on. If I forgot anything, I'll keep you posted in another vlog. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say at this moment. But it's crazy because my phone is dying. My phone is dying. My iPad is dying. I'm just dying over here, okay? And so here is the pool. Let me stand up so you can get a good view. It's a pretty big pool. And we didn't really put anything out this year because we still got the vacuum. It's going to be clean and see a little dirt here. But as far as in it being clear, it's clear because you can see the dirt. So we have the robot. The robot is doing its thing. So here we go. A little barbecue sauce on the last little bit of wings. It's gonna be good.